The Australian government on Monday granted its approval to Bharat Biotech's COVID-19 vaccine, that is Covaxin, for the purpose of travel in the country. And it says that travelers above the age of 12 who are inoculated with Covaxin can now visit the country, and that it would enhance international return of international students, skilled and unskilled labor in the country, and improve its economy. Now, while we have Australia who is now recognizing Covaxin, we also have WHO, that is World Health Organization, who is delaying and postponing to grant its approval to Covaxin. So as we remember that WHO last month had postponed giving its clearance to Covaxin, saying that it needed some more technical details and data to consider it for emergency use listing, and that it was not satisfied with the quality of the data that was provided to it. So now we know that the technical advisory of WHO is scheduled to meet on November 3 for the final assessment. And just as WHO has not yet granted its approval to Covaxin, Indian visitors who are vaccinated with Covaxin cannot also visit US or UK. So US and UK are also delaying granting its approval to Covaxin. But we have Australia who now recognizes Covaxin, and last month it had also granted its approval to AstraZeneca's manufactured Covishield. We also have a list of countries who now recognize Covaxin, for example, Mauritius, Iran, Oman, Greece, Estonia, Zimbabwe, who have granted its approval to Covaxin. Now, in this list of countries, there is a demarcation. For example, in Mauritius, Iran, Oman, Greece, and Estonia, Indian visitors who are vaccinated with Covaxin can visit only with some conditions. For example, if one has to visit Mauritius, one needs to have 14, at least one can visit Mauritius only after 14 days of the second dose. Or in Iran, one also needs to have RT-PCR test. Or in Greece or Estonia, one needs to give the vaccination certificate. But in countries like Sri Lanka, Nepal, Mexico, Zimbabwe, one does not need to have any condition other than that he is fully vaccinated. So now, the list of countries who are recognizing Covaxin, this list is gradually increasing while we await what happens at WHO meeting on November 3.